All right, welcome. We got this package from Durham Rips, the man himself. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what's inside. I had this package sitting for a couple of weeks. There's a lot of cards. I am pumped. Let's see what's inside. All right, so yeah, first of all, Durham Rips, the sticker, little promo. And yeah, I was not kidding when I said I got a lot of cards. Now let's go through them a little bit slower. First, from the Jersey Fusion box, got this guy, Cal Ripken, on the Game Use Swatch. That's pretty cool. That's a cool card. All right, so let's go through them. Almond Thompson, some cool stuff. Nothing too incredible there. A couple of autos. A little fresh starts. A little Mahomey. Nothing incredible. Some cool stuff. This I like though. Jokic on the deep space in the mag. JJ Redick, the mag. Dylan Brooks, I like that one. On the barbershop. Sweet Jason Tatum, that's a cool one. Yeah, some good stuff, some good packaging. Durham Rips, check them out.